Clarke has been working with Seven Hills for some time. Keith Gutierrez, being an alum of Clarke University, has been always generous in the community as a community partner and supporter of the arts. And we have done multiple collaborations in the past for like homecoming events. Over the summer, Keith kind of approached us and asked, hey, is there an opportunity to maybe get students involved in a project that could potentially create a variety of label systems, do it through a seasonal output.
It's been pretty fun for the students. I just remember being a student and doing old labs that have been like replicated from decades ago that I was not excited about. So I was like, what could be more tangible? And this kind of, just kind of gave birth to this. We decided, hey, if we could kind of throw an incentive because we think people need to get paid for the creative content they make, and then involve the students so it's not as top heavy cost. So kind of is a win-win because they got excited about an incentive. It helps us create a simplistic template, and then every year we can switch it out and hopefully we can keep growing.
It was based off like 80s and 90s theme and just kind of take our own spin on it, so everyone's project looks very different depending on what we wanted to do. I really enjoyed it all because like starting out with just 12 different icons, you really had to trust the process because you didn't know how it was going to turn out. So it's kind of scary at first. Working with Seven Hills and like networking through the community is like something I really enjoyed.
I think as soon as you can begin leveraging the skills in the studio in the professional world, it really is a great experiential learning opportunity. Oftentimes the things that are happening in the studio are so very well controlled by the instructors, but client work always has that sort of spontaneity, and that's what really gives students a more real experience.
They're creative, they're inventive, they bring a passion that I think most people in any industry we have the tendency to get comfortable with what we do. We take the path of least resistance like water. So to bring new ideas that are fresh. And we've collaborated with Clarke in other areas, football and food science. We talked about beer. We've had collaborations within the brewery inside of the department in food science. So I think there's kind of evolving collaborative opportunities.